In this video we're going to work through how to use the Auckland Council Geomaps to show the contours and work out the type of contour that we're looking at on the site. So this overlay will show us whether the site is flat to gently undulating, gentle to moderate slope, moderately steep, steep to very steep, or a mixed of variable contour. So we'll be using a combination of the contours overlay and the measuring tool to answer these questions. So first of all, we agree to the terms and conditions provided on the front page. So we agree to those. We go to the search the map bar. We enter the property address, the same one used in the DevSmarts report that's provided on the page as a draft example, which is 1614 Great North Road. My spelling's not that great. And we go and here's the site. So we then go into assets, and in the assets bar, actually in quite a few of these, there'll be a contours overlay. So in here we can see zoomed in, we can see the contours, and on the DevSmarts page, when we're looking at the questions on how to work out what the contour is, it gives us the spacing. So we can use the measuring tool to work out between the dark contour lines what the distances are. So we know it's about 28 meters between these contour lines. We know it's about 12.9 meters between these two contour lines. Now it's about 8.6 between these contour lines. So then we can go to the DevSmart sheet, and in the sheet it will tell us that flat to gently undulating has a contour spacing of around 50 meters apart, that a gentle to moderate slope has a contour spacing of around 20 to 40 meters apart, so that's this area, that a moderately steep site has somewhere between 10 and 20 meters, so that's this section here, and a steep to very steep contour spacing is about 5 to 10 meters apart, which is this back end down here. So the site goes from a gentle moderate slope to moderately steep to very steep towards the back of the site. So this is a mixed variable contour, so it's given us an idea of what the contour is across the site, and we'd know that this would be triggering retaining and some additional foundation costs. It doesn't make it impossible to develop, but there is costs that would need to be considered during the feasibility process, and there'd be some geotech to look at the slope stability and maybe some further testing. Cheers.